Confirmed that the former President Jacob Zuma was admitted into this facility in the early hours of this morning in compliance with the Constitutional Court order. This is not a moment of celebration or triumphalism. It is a moment of restraint and to be human. In line with our mandate as a correctional services to treat all inmates in terms of the Nelson Mandela rules, which are universal rules for the treatment of inmates. Rule 1, the United Nations rule, is emphatic on all inmates shall be treated with respect due to their inherent dignity and value as human beings. This is a medium B facility which houses both youth and adult inmates. It was opened by former Minister Masuta recently in 2019. He said the following on the occasion of its opening. Correctional Services has a mandate to create a human system where the weakest inmates feel safe, where all are treated with respect. It is a new generation correctional center with an approved bed capacity of 512 inmates. It also has a hospital section. As precaution and in line with the COVID-19 measures, the former president will be placed in isolation for a period of 14 days. Furthermore, he will be assessed by our medical team in conjunction with the South African Health Military Services, and this will determine the conditions of his incarceration.
For that, the mobilization will continue, not just inside.
Okay, sorry for the disruption, viewers. We see that the police have just taken Mr. Niehaus away now and seem to be breaking up the support. If you can just stay on these visuals. Mr. Niehaus has been taken away by police. We'll try and find out why exactly and where exactly.
If he's not jailed tonight, what would the fallout be in either situation, in either scenario, for the branch members of the ANC, the people who make up the body of the ANC, not the people at the top, but the people in KwaZulu-Natal at the branches, the people across the country? What will the impact be if he's jailed and then if he's not jailed?
Here's the thing about the so-called branches of the ANC. Those people, Sally, are so powerless. As we speak now, they are watching television and as confused as any average Joe. They actually don't understand what is happening. They watch the drama. They are used from time to time when conferences come, but they have no power whatsoever. So most of them, by the way, as members of branches, they will wake up and go to work tomorrow. Those who are unemployed will face their equity. So there's absolutely nothing that the so-called branches will do, because branches act when they are coordinated and they are sponsored by people at the top. So there is nothing that's going to happen. Tomorrow the sun will rise, an average branch member of the ANC will go to work. Those who are unemployed will simply face the agony that, the daily agony that they watch. So
Die mensen gaan ze kijken, die wat mij is. Hulle vote ANC.
Ja, ons vote ANC, definitief. Ons moet, is een beetje zwaar, hè? Ons vat zwaar weer terug.
Ja, maar die kennis wat. Die kennis wat. Hulle moet hulle stof stop.
Ja, zeker. Hulle moet die stop. Hulle moet die nonsens stop. Die nonsens gaan zo. Ik is beantwoordelijk dat die nonsens moet stop. Ik zeg vandaag. Die nonsens is stop vandaag. Ik zeg.
Jangan lupa